Okay, so we got here our Chinese takeaway fries. Ling and I are both from Quebec, and one of the comfort foods we miss the most is poutine. It's 3 very simple ingredients: home-style fries, squeaky cheese curds, and gravy. We got the chips right here. We got some instant rich brown gravy, which costs $1 at your local New World. I know people from Quebec are saying this isn't the original. We're in New Zealand, right? So we gotta make do with what we got. The hardest element to find here was squeaky cheese curds. Squeaky cheese curds are very hard to come by. We've been to several cheese places in New Zealand and it's been very difficult. Evansdale Cheese Factory, just north of Dunedin, actually makes cheese curds. As we headed up north, we stopped by there and we got this amazing cheese. Here's the crazy thing. The guy that was running the place didn't charge us for the cheese curds. He said they were made on Sunday. It is currently Wednesday. He gave us these cheese curds for free. The only thing we gotta do right now is find a place to fire up the gas grill, boil up some gravy, and make some poutine. One cup of water from our self-contained, not so self-contained Camry station wagon.
It's our 10-liter bucket of water.
Alright, that's a cup right there. So we're gonna pour this into the thing so we can mix our gravy sauce. Before you mix the powder in, you gotta bring the water to a boil. Alright, so we're gonna fire up the butane stove burner.
What if you move my backpack out the way first? Please don't light my backpack
it's
on
only
fire.
your belongings for the next year.
You didn't move it.
An eternity later.
Alright, so it looks like the water's starting to boil right now. Powder into the boiling water. And then you take your very sophisticated whisking tool, aka a fork.
And
sir.
And scrape up the non-stick.
Just make sure you get rid of any clumping, because nothing is less authentic than clumpy gravy. One thing to note, these Evansdale cheese curds are not salted like the pre-packaged cheese curds that you would get back in Quebec. I took one bite out of this and I found it absolutely disgusting because I'm used to the pre-salted cheese curds, which I thought was standard. We're gonna do a little bit of salting action on these guys.
They're sour a little bit. They're not salted. It's kind of weird.
Got our Chinese takeaway chips right here.
Oh, they're fat wedges. Glorious chips. They look so joyous. Could wrap a small child in it.
Chips, check. Salted cheese curds.
And screaming seagulls.
Oh, here they come. He's calling in the cavalry. You got that on film?
Yes. Go away!
Seagulls are no different no matter what country you go to.
These ones seem to scream louder.
Yeah, the ones in New Zealand are quite loud. So we're just gonna put a generous helping of that sweet, delicious cheese curds. They're not squeaky, but beggars can't be choosers. We're doing what we can with what we got. Evansdale's cheese curds, the fact that they even make cheese curds is great. We were at Whitestone Cheese Factory, we saw some cheese curds, and I was heartbroken when I saw that they press the cheese together. They don't make separate packagings of their cheese curds, they just press it. As a homesick Quebecer, I'm really proud to be making this dish here in New Zealand. I really miss poutine, and I'm happy to still be able to make something that closely resembles it.
You were salivating there, eh?
You know what? I could say honestly this isn't the best poutine, but it's still comfort food. Goes to show you the best poutine is not always the best poutine. The best poutine is when you're far from home and you want something that comes close enough to resemble it that you could truly appreciate and feel like you got a bit of that comfort here. I don't know if that makes any sense. I'm just really hungry.
Can I have some?
No.
At last, my love has come along. My lonely days are over, and life is like a song. Oh yeah, yeah, at last the skies above the blue. My heart was wrapped up in
That poutine was so good. It was so fattening. The gravy went straight to my blood, and it's making me really tired right now. So I think I'm gonna go take a nap. So on that note, I'm gonna leave you guys.
Where's King? I don't know where he went.